In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble this Skil brushless 40-volt string trimmer. The first thing we're going to do is fold out the shaft. You will need 2 of the supplied bolts and the Allen wrench or Torx wrench that comes with the tool. Now when you're folding this out, you need to be careful. There is the cable in here. Now we don't want to get this caught between either of the shafts, so you need to be careful when you're opening this up. So we're going to do this carefully. And open it slowly, and when we get to like here, I'm just going to push this down a little bit so that it's clear, which it is. Keep it going, and then make sure it just folds in there. Then we're going to leave this like this. Fold this down so it's nice and secure. Drop one bolt in. If you do have your own Torx bits, I'd highly recommend you go and get one, because that supplied Torx wrench just sucks. Now make sure these bolts are both tight. Should be nice and snug right here, and the same on the other side. You need to secure the guard onto the base of the string trimmer. I'm going to roll this over onto its back. It should stay like this, and then we're going to slot this on over like this. It's going to go a weird angle like there. Bring in our 2 more bolts and slot them in. Make sure these are tight. Now we're going to install the handle, and we need to undo this ring nut here to remove this bolt. Now we want to put it on so that when it's on, it's angled towards the power unit. And putting this on can be a little challenging because it's quite tight in here. You need to put it on an angle so that you can force this straight down, just like this, and then just push. We're going to slot this bolt back through from the other side. Bring our wing nut and then just tighten that up. Now we can slide in the battery. It's 40 volt, 2.5 amp hour that came with this string trimmer. Slides on from the back. Clicks into place. Now the string trimmer doesn't have a 2-speed setting, it's just on or off, and you've got the safety here. Push this left or right, depending on which hand you're using it with, or however you want to use it. Push it in, then pull the trigger on the back here up, and let it go, and then it will stop. To release the battery, just pull this tab down towards the battery, and it will release out. And that's how to assemble the Skil brushless 40-volt string trimmer.